can see 4100, it's 483 foot-pounds of torque. Peak's torque looks like 564. Peak's horsepower is 653. So this customer, he wanted 750 horsepower with 150 shot. So obviously it'll be 800 with a 150. So everything is good. What we'll do is pull the pipes back and make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things here. When you see the engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be another spec sheet. Highly recommend reading all that, and have a great day.